Did you ever compromised your dreams, or did you ever compromised on your goals due to the circumstances or situations? Yes, I'm sure that definitely it would have happened one or two times or maybe 100 times in your life. So most of the time, what is happening in this? There is what is the reason behind it? So let's understand. I'm Sumesh. It is not important who am I, but the problem is that this is a very big issue which our entire community, humanity is facing. The result of this issue is mediocrity. Why it is happening? Because of the habits which we have gained from the childhood. For example, when we were a child, we wanted to get a toy and we will cry for that for some time, and then parents or your uncle or whoever it is, they will come and convince you, no, not now. Okay, then you also get convinced and it is okay and satisfied with that. We are satisfied with the whatever the results which has came after the effort. So and we are compromised, we are completely happy with that. The same thing which is carried to the when we are becoming elder, what do you call, when we are in our youth age, or when we wanted to achieve something, that time also we are keeping this one. We will have a, when we are studying for graduation or some in the college, we will have high dreams, everything. When it comes to when we are going to the market, situations are totally different, and we will compromise our dreams one by one, and we will get satisfied with that and we will settle there. So what exactly happening is, because of that, the we will not be able to utilize our full potential, and our entire life will be in a mediocre level. So how to overcome this? There is a good way which I learned from Grant Cardone's one book, 10x Rule. There is a wonderful book, and in that book he is saying that if you want to make whatever the objective it is there, you make it 10 times, and your actions also you make it 10 times. So when you are making your actions 10 times to achieve something, even if you miss that 10x 10 times better objective, you will definitely will be far higher than the objective which you have placed it in the beginning. So it is very very important to plan 10 times better objective and 10 times better actionables. If you are doing that, you will, when you are taking that much action, definitely you will have a proper calculation about that is very very important. When you are setting an objective and working towards that, you should have a clear cut understanding about the situations which are all obstacles are coming in the way. We need to anticipate that and work on very well, so that once that is done, there is no chance and very very less chance for failure. So once you are doing that, you are more likely to achieve your goal and surpass the goal. So it is very very important. If you are a company owner, or if you are a manager, so never ever reduce your the numbers which you are supposed to do, or whatever the things which you wanted to do, never ever compromise from that particular thing. Instead, plan 10 times better and work 10 times better than that. So there is always a high probability to achieve that particular thing. So this is very well proven science for success. People are getting successful because of this only. So if you are really wanted to become super successful, it is always better to make it 10 times better objective and 10 times better actionables. That will definitely lead you to success. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you feel helpful, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell button, so that you will get more and more videos updates. Thank you so much.